don't, hair follicles will get blocked and your hair growth will stop. So really very damaging to your. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna share few hair growth tips which I have applied on myself and have seen a phenomenal result, because my hair was always very thin like this. There was no volume. So watch this video till the end. But before heading towards the video, I want to request you one thing, that if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like and share, and you can also follow me on Instagram for regular updates. First and the most important tip is never ever comb your hair when it's wet, because at that point your hair is very vulnerable and prone to breakage. Start combing your hair from the bottom and then gradually go up. If you're a person who loves to oil your hair, then I would suggest please oil your hair when your scalp is clean. In that way your hair oil will penetrate into your scalp properly. But if you have a very oily scalp like mine, I have a very oily scalp, so please avoid oiling your scalp, because it's already oily, right? So if you put more oil on into your scalp will attract all the dirt, pollution, and then it will produce fungus, and then you will get dandruff. Do not get scared to shampoo your hair often, because I know there's a myth that if you often shampoo your hair will fall more. But no, it's completely opposite. If you don't wash your scalp properly, your scalp will become very greasy, and then it will produce more sebum, and it will attract all the dirt and fungal infection, and then you will get lot of dandruff. So your hair follicles will get blocked and your hair growth will stop. So you need to wash your scalp properly. There is absolutely no connection between hair wash and hair fall, okay? Each and every hair strand has a particular lifespan. So once it's over, it will fall out anyway. Whether you wash it, you don't wash it, you comb, you don't comb, that particular hair will fall out, okay? If you haven't tried reverse conditioning yet, then I would say please try it once and you would love it, because people who have very thin hair, reverse conditioning works best for. Put the conditioner before shampooing and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes and then shampoo your scalp. You don't need to rub the shampoo into your lens, okay? You just need to wash your scalp, that's it, and you will see that you have a bouncy, voluminous hair. Also try deep conditioning once a week or once in 10 days. So use it as a pre-treatment mask, means before shampooing use the mask and then keep it for 30 to 40 minutes and then wash your hair. Do not forget to hydrate your lens every day before going to bed, okay? So you can use any kind of hydrating serum or leave-in conditioner or cream like this to hydrate your lens. Now coming to the most important thing is scalp serum, hair growth serum. I know market is totally flooded with different kind of hair growth serum. So yes, you can use a good hair growth serum which are peptide based, because those hair growth serum genuinely works. So use this hair growth serum continuously for at least for 3 to 6 months to see visible results, and you can use before going to bed, because this kind of serums are usually very lightweight and non-greasy, so you don't need to wash your hair the next. Now if you're someone who use too much hot tools into your hair, then I would say please keep it minimal, twice or thrice a week, and do not forget to use a heat protecting serum or cream before using your hot tools. So very dry, flaky and itchy type of scalp, then you can try exfoliating your scalp once a week with all these exfoliating scrubs. This really works. That's it for today. I am following these rules since last 5-6 years, and I hope you will follow these rules too to see the phenomenal change in your hair health, okay? And I will see you in another video. Bye.